Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see admission notification. Here it is from Central University of Kerala. So you can see that there is a UG program. It is BA in International Relations. There are 63 seats are there. You can see that MA in Economics. So it is a 2-year PG program. They are offering 50 seats. You can see that English and Comparative Literature, Linguistic and Language Technology, Hindi and Comparative Literature. So here they're offering each 50 seats. MA in International Relations and Political Science, Malayalam, and then Public Administration and Policy Studies. You can see that Master of Social Work also offered by Central University of Kerala. So here comes the Master of Education, MEd. There are 63 seats are there. You can see that MSc program, which is in zoology, biochemistry, chemistry, as well as computer science and environmental science. So they are offering 38 seats each, including genomic science. You can see that genomic science is one of the specialized course. If you would like to pursue your lifestyle into the biotechnological field, so you can select it. You can see that geology 38 seats, MSc mathematics 50 seats, and then MSc botany 38 seats, so MSc physics 38 seats. MSc yoga therapy, it is 50 seats. You can see that there is a master of law, so it is 50 seats are there, and master of public health, so it is 50 seats are there. MBA 38 seats are there. You can see that MCOM, so MCOM also 50 seats, and then Canada also 50 seats. You can see that PG diploma courses, so these all are 2 semester courses. It means like 1 year course. So you can see that PG diploma in yoga 50 seats, PG diploma in NRI laws, so it is 50 seats. You can see that PG diploma in Hindi, so mass communication and media rating, Hindi translation and office procedure. So these are all the courses which has been offered by Central University of Kerala. If you would like to join Central University of Kerala, you have to apply through CUSET 2020. In the description box, I will give the link. By clicking on that, you can apply through online. If you would like to get more admission notification, please do subscribe to Revamp YouTube channel.